This is CargoMate, the stylish bike rack with the muscle to support all your transportation needs. Now nominated by the world's biggest bike show for the Eurobike Award 2025. Designed to fit almost any bike and handlebar type, CargoMate is your reliable, good-looking companion for short city spins, daily commutes, long tours, or even bikepacking escapes. Installation, a breeze. No tools, no guesswork. 30 seconds till ready to roll.
Hello bikers! Today I would like to present you CargoMate, a bike rack that's got style for days and supports you in all your transportation needs. We've designed it to fit almost any bike and all handlebar types. CargoMate is your safe and uncomplicated companion for a short trip into town or to work, for long journeys or when bikepacking. To match your style and your bike, you can have it in shiny silver or semi-matte black. We also offer you 6 stylish colors for the frame cover. Plus, great colors for the bungee cord, so you can personalize your CargoMate if you like. CargoMate features a clever and easy-to-use attaching system. With a 30-second tool-free installation, you're ready to go in no time. Let me show you. You place your CargoMate on the center of your handlebars. Thread in the attachment loop, lower the carrier and fasten it with a fixation strap. That's it. The shape of the frame tips ensures self-alignment to the angle of the bike stem. With our adjustable attachment loop, you can adjust CargoMate to fit your bike perfectly. It's smart and eco-friendly. Other systems send you a whole load of parts, most of which you throw away because they don't fit your bike. We've given our frame eyelets a dual function. On the one hand, the bungee cords go through the eyelets and hold them in place. On the other hand, we have chosen the shape, angle and position so that you can use the eyelets as attachment hooks for bungee cords or lashing straps. This gives you countless possibilities for attaching a wide variety of items to your CargoMate.
Crafted with a high-flex stainless steel one-piece frame, it offers both durability and a sleek, sporty look. At just 670 grams, CargoMate is light enough for every adventure, yet strong enough to carry up to 5 kilograms. This rack is built to last, manufactured and developed for cyclists who demand convenience, quality, and superior design. Upgrade your ride with CargoMate, your universal fit bike rack. Functional, fast, stylish.